In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Replit Agent in 2025 by building and selling micro SaaS apps and custom tools for businesses. Here's the plan. We'll start by choosing a clear target market, then use Replit Agent to turn a plain English prompt into working code, and finally cover how to package and monetize your app with subscriptions, one-time templates, or custom client solutions using built-in payment integrations to get paid. Begin by defining who you're building for and what specific problem you'll solve. Think in terms of industries, roles, or recurring workflows. For example, a lightweight reporting dashboard for agencies, a content generator for small e-commerce shops, or a scheduling helper for local service providers. Focus on a pain that happens often and is currently solved with spreadsheets or manual steps. Scan community forums, reviews, or social posts to confirm people are asking for a simpler solution. A narrow, well-defined niche makes it easier to stand out and charge for outcomes rather than features. Once you know the audience and problem, open Replit and use Replit Agent to generate your app. Write a clear prompt that describes the core job your app must do, the key screens, the inputs and outputs, and any integrations you'll need. For example, a login, a simple dashboard, data import, processing rules, and a results view with export options. Keep version 1 small and focused. Micro SaaS wins by doing one thing exceptionally well. If the first output isn't perfect, refine your prompt by specifying edge cases, naming the tech stack you prefer, or clarifying the user flow. Replit Agent is designed to iterate quickly, so use it to generate components, tests, and documentation as you go. With a working app, decide how you'll monetize. Subscriptions are great for ongoing value like automation or reports that run every week. If your solution is more of a starter kit, sell it as a one-time template that people can clone and customize. For larger clients who want bespoke features, offer a custom build using the same app as a base, priced as a project or retainer. Keep pricing simple, tie it to a clear benefit, and offer a short trial or demo to reduce friction. To collect payments, connect a provider like Stripe through Replit's built-in integrations. Set up products and pricing, add a checkout link or embedded payment form, and route successful payments to unlock access or premium features. That's it. Choose a tight niche, prompt Replit Agent with clarity, and package your app in the model that fits your audience. Start small, ship quickly, listen to feedback, and refine.